Hello and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mohammad Iqbal Hussain. My ID is 20192031. First of all, I would like to thank you, our honorable teacher, for giving us the opportunity to make a report on compensation management of a renowned restaurant. My group name is Greenwave. I would like to first let my group members introduce to yourself. Me as a group member, my name is Mohammad Iqbal Hussain, which I have told earlier. Then our next member is Dolun Akhtar, ID is 20183041. Then Robil Rana, ID is 20202046. Then Alamin Mia, 20193011. Then Saima Alam Munmun, 20193054. Let's go to the presentation. Compensation management of McDonald's Corporation. First of all, definition of compensation management. Compensation means what the employees receive in exchange for their work. It is monetary plus non-monetary return paid to employees for the work done by them. Compensation management, also known as wage and salary administration, remuneration management, or reward management, is concerned with designing and implementing total compensation package. Objectives of compensation. Number 1, attracting and retaining personnel. Number 2, motivating personnel. In addition, to acquire qualified personnel, to retain current key employees, to ensure equity, to reward desired behavior, to control cost, to comply with legal regulations, to further administration efficiency, to manage conflict and to ensure congenial working environment, to generate motivation among employees, to reduce absenteeism, to reduce turnover to ensure loyalty, to enhance or improve productivity, to ensure continuity of sound working spirit. About McDonald's. McDonald's Corporation is an American fast food company founded in 1940 as a restaurant operated by Richard and Maurice McDonald in San Bernardino, California. United McDonald's is the world's largest restaurant chain by revenue, serving over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries across 37,855 outlet states. McDonald's is the world's second largest private employer with 1.7 million people, behind Walmart with 2.3 million employees. As of 2020, McDonald's has the ninth highest global brand valuation. That's all from me. Now I would like to ask my next group members to take the lead, Miss Saima Alam Munmun. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir, for giving me a floor. I'm Saima Alam Munmun. My ID number is 20193054. In our presentation, my selected topic is first of all, pay and rewards, incentive pay, long-term incentives, and finally, recognition programs. At first, I would like to discuss about pay and rewards. Mainly, this program follows a pay for performance. It is the most important portion of a compensation management. It is the initial salary paid to an employee, not including and benefits, bonuses or raises. An employee base pay can be expressed as an hourly rate or as the weekly, monthly or annual salary. As part of incentive pay, it is the process of overseeing the calculation and payout of variable pay and making adjustments to improve sales motivation and performance. As part of long-term incentives, these incentives are granted to eligible employees to both reward and retain key employees who have shown sustained performance. And finally, recognition programs. These programs are designed to reward and recognize strong performance. It is the method of motivating employees to change work behavior or the key behaviors to benefit a small organization or a small business. Thank you so much. That's all.
Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Robil Rana. My ID 20202046. Today's our project presentation program. My selected topics: dental, vision supplement, and finger benefit. At first, I would like to discuss dental. Our dental plans to allow the employee to see the dentals of their choice and cover a wide range of dental service. The plan also cover 50% eligible expense for adult and child at one time. My next topics: mission supplement. Employee included in one of the four McDonald's medical plans. Many elect the vision supplement plan, which provide the coverage for eyeglass and contact lens plus a mail order contact lens. Thank you, sir. That's my presentation program.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Alamin Mia. My ID is 20193011. Now I am discussing about the McDonald's compensation package. There are other benefits including the dental services. McDonald's compensation package includes the dental services. They provide the employees to see the dentist of their choice and covers a wide range of dental services. Preventive services including sealants for children are covered at 90% with no deductible. Basic and major services are covered at 80%. After deductible, the plan also covers 50% of eligible orthodontia expenses for adults and children after one-time deductible. And after that, the spending accounts, the flexible spending accounts let employees set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for certain healthcare and daycare expenses. Employees can set aside up to 5,600 in the healthcare spending account for expenses not covered or only partially covered by their medical and dental plans for daycare expenses that allow employees or their spouse to work. They can set aside up to 5,000 in the daycare spending accounts. And after that, a short and long-term disability of the McDonald Corporation. Both short and long-term disability covers is provided at no cost to employees. Short-term disability provides benefits if an employee cannot work for more than 10 consecutive days. How long benefits continue depends on the nature of employee's disability and years of services. Long-term disability covers replace 60% of the employee's monthly base salary with while he or she is disabled. That's my part. Thank you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon Akhtar. My ID 20183041. At first, I would like to thank our honorable course teacher to give us such opportunity to present here something. We already know about what is compensation package and why it's important for an company. Our friends already told about McDonald's and its pay and salary packages. Now I want to tell about McDonald Travel and Business Travel Accident Insurance. McDonald provide travel accident coverage of two-time and employees' base salary at no cost to employees. Travel accident insurance pays benefit in the event of an accident when traveling for either business or its personal reasons. McDonald's also provide business travel accident insurance coverage for employees traveling on company business, also at no cost. Depending on the employee's position, this coverage is either 1 lakh or 2 lakh dollars and is in addition to travel accident coverage. And now I want to conclude this presentation with a conclusion that I want to tell that an effective compensation system should fulfill the following criteria: minimum governmental, union, managerial pay level position must be met by the compensation system. Care should be taken so that each employee is paid fairly in line with his or her ability, effort, education, experience, competencies, and so on. Pay, benefit, and other reward must provide a reasonable compensation package. Pay must be neither excessive or nor inadequate. The compensation package should be such that it generate motivation for effective or productive work. Thank you all. Thank you, teacher. Assalamu alaikum.